Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not hesitate to subscribe. We're going to learn French together. Today in this new video, I'm gonna tell you about the pronunciation, the sound of the French language. There is a lot of different sound in French, and sometimes the combination of 2 or 3 letters make only one sound. So let's begin with the oral vowels. First, we have the sound I, like in the word ici or pyramide. Ici, pyramide. We have the sound e, like I'm smiling, e, which is often written with an acute accent, but can also be written with the combination of the letter E plus T, e, or the combination of the letter E plus Z, e, or the combination of E plus R, like in the words aller, manger. There is another oral vowels, which is e. It's not e, but e, like more open. E, smiling, e, more open. Often written with the grave accent, but this sound can be made with the combination of different letters, like est makes the sound e, a plus I make the sound e, es also makes the sound e, and et. Et, mais, lèvres, être, appel, des, jouer. Then we have the vowel a, which is an open a, not a. A, always a, which can be written with a grave accent or a circumflex accent, but still the same sound, a, like in the word âge or bras. We also have the sound u, very small mouth, u, which can be written with a circumflex accent, but the sound is still the same. You can also find the sound u in the combination of e plus u, u. Next, we have the sound e, which can be written with the combination of e plus u inside a word is e, like in the word peu, mercredi, peu, mercredi. Then we have the sound which is open, which can be written with the combination of OEU or EU, like in the words bœuf, neuf, peur, seul, the sound Then we have the sound OU, which is written with the O plus U, OU, like in the words ou, vous, goût, ou, vous, goût. Then the sound O, which can be written with the combination of A plus U, like in O, or EAU, like in beaucoup, bientôt, pot. And the last oral vowel is O, like os, Paul, bol. It's more like an open O. After these oral vowels, we have the nasal vowels. This is something that most of my students struggle with because you have to use your nose. First of all, we have the sound un, which can be written with the combination of many letters, like I plus N makes the sound un, like in vin. I plus M, like in impasse. AIN, like in train. AIM, like in essaim. EIN, like in peindre. UN, un, or UM, like in parfum. Then you have the sound en, which can be written with the combination of AN, en, or AM, like in ampoule, EN, like in encre, or EM, like in the word empêcher. And then we have the sound which also can be written with different combination, like ON, or OM, like the word ombre. Then we have another category which is more easy to pronounce, the consonants. First of all, we have the P, like in papa or tapis. Then we have the B, like in bal or abbaye. Then we have the M. The lips touch M, like in maman, armoire, pomme. Then we have the T, like in trou or pat or théorie, T. The tongue touches the upper teeth, T. Then we have the D, like in modèle or addition, D. Then the N, like in nous or bonne, N. Then we have the Ñ, like in signature, Ñ. Then we have the K, which can be written with a C or the combination of QU, like in casse, sac, bouquet. Then we have the sound G, which can be written with the combination of the letters J and U, like gaffe, tag, bag. Then we have the sound ing, like in English, ing, parking. Then the sound F, which can be written with the combination of PH. For example, flou, bof, affaire, photo, F. Then we have the sound V, like voiture or vitre, V. We have the down lip touching the upper teeth, V, and make it vibrate. Then we have the sound L, like lit or bal, lit, bal, L. You touch the bottom of your teeth with the tip of your tongue, L. Then we have the sound S. You have to touch your tongue with your upper palate and just like a whistle between the two of them. S. It can be written with a single S, a double S, a C, the combination of S plus C, and also with a T, like in the words ça, casse, cerise, garçon, nation, science. Then we have the sound Z, like in the words zoo, gaz, base, examen. Then we have the sound sh. It's written with the combination of the letter C plus H, like in the words chou, touche. Then we have the sound j, like in the word joue, tige, or giraffe, j. Then we have the sound r. I think it's your favorite, r, like the lion, r. Like in the words route or carré, route, carré, r. Then we have the sound y, which can be written with the combination of I plus L or I double L, like in the words travail, sommeil, paille, bouteille, y. And then we have the sound wa, which is written with a combination of O plus I, wa, like in my name, Antoine, wa. I think we're done with the French sounds. I know sometimes it can be difficult for you, but take it easy, go step by step. Maybe learn first the consonants, then the oral vowels, and then I think the most difficult is the nasal vowels. But take it easy, take your time to learn them, and you're gonna make it. I hope you enjoyed this new video about the French pronunciation. If you liked it, do not hesitate to give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!